123 Lock and Key Incorporated. At 123 Lock, we're lock specialists. When you're locked out and need last-minute help or simply want to beef up your security, we're here to help with professional locksmith work in Key West. Our primary service areas include emergency locksmith, automobile locksmith, residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, and rekey services. Call us at 305-395-1941 whenever you need a quick response and top-level locksmithing ability. For more information, please visit our website, www.transpondakeys.net. Or contact us through phone, 305-395-1941. You can visit our office, 1107 Key Plaza PMB 231, Key West, Florida 33040, USA. 123 Lock and Key Incorporated.